This is toucans, known for their vibrant plumage and large, colorful bills, hold some lesser-known but fascinating facts. Firstly, their distinctive bills, while appearing heavy, are actually quite lightweight, composed of a honeycomb-like structure of bone covered by keratin, making them more agile than they seem. Toucans are social birds, often seen in pairs or small flocks. Surprisingly, their beaks serve multiple purposes beyond feeding. They help regulate body temperature by dissipating heat and play a role in courtship displays. These birds have a keen sense of sight, but their sense of smell is equally remarkable. Toucans can detect fruit ripeness with their keen sense of smell, helping them find food in dense forests.